Bro said on everyone, so I'm winning. Oh my god. You weirdos! You okay? Oh, that's a free kill. I'm not even that low. Why you on me? Okay. I don't care about that other guy. So, and why is this guy always on my knee? Like, you're automatically looking at me ready to fight. Kie. I'm better max Kie. Okay. Like, yo. I'm not gonna chase no Kie, bro. Oh my god, here's a wall. Okay. Oh yeah, this game just saved him right there. When I tried to use my rush, this game saved him. Holy, this game saved him. Why did he not block? I'm confused. Grab him. What was that? Fishman? I'll take it. Why are you glazing me off the bat? I didn't even touch you or anything. All these people teaming like, holy. Like, bro, I wanted the Gippo, man. Like, just stole from me, man. Nah, too late for that. PB. Okay. How come I ate the full damage, but he didn't? Yo, this guy's lucky. Yo. Why are you doing all this glazing on me, bro? Holy. Like, who are you?
Perfect.
PB. Like, you're just a random, so hop off my meat. Goofy potato. Nah, cause holy, these kids are glazing. If I can just kill this. Okay. Free depot. Thank you. Right, he's cooked. Why are you on my meat? Why am I the only one who ate that? Now, why that hit me? Okay. Goof. And, oh yeah, he did get the assist. I'm gonna let him handle this because I can't handle that kid by myself. Bro. Yeah, you got that, bro. It's not gonna be my assist anyways, so. Let's 1v1. Come on. Okay. He has that back already. Got this. I lost. I have no stam, nothing. Okay. Flu. No stam, bro. It's getting smaller. Those guys lucky. It's going to the water. Like, jit, it's you cooked. GG's. GG's. Holy. Consider that I made that way too long, bro. Like, just give me the win already. Like, simple as that. Just give me the win. I don't think I did that much damage. Okay, how much damage is that? I'm guessing like 5k damage, bro. I barely did anything that whole match. 8k. Expected. Anyways, see you on the next video.